Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I got a special unboxing, so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. So this is a special unboxing because it is a gift that I got from one of my subscribers, and it is from, if you guys can see, I'll try not to show my address, but it is from Von Maur. And this particular store, if you guys aren't familiar with it, I personally never have gone into one myself, but just so happens that there is a Von Maur that recently opened very close by to where I live, and so I did not make it to their grand opening, which was this past weekend. I don't know when this video is going to air or when I'm going to publish this video, but the grand opening for that store was October 13th, and yeah, unfortunately I was not able to make it to that grand opening, but nonetheless I was gifted this item from a friend of mine that works for the company. And so let me go ahead and begin the unboxing. I have my blade. I'm also still going to try to keep my address out of frame. Let me go ahead and open it up. Alright. How am I going to do this? Okay. Here is the inside. Okay. Ooh, wow. She even gift wrapped it. Look at this. I did not know you were going to do this. So I wanted to thank my friend personally, and well, I already thanked her. I told her that I would do this on a video, but yeah, I do want to thank her again. So let's see, I don't really want to mess it up because this packaging is so amazing. Okay, so it's tearing pretty easily. Okay, so maybe I should take a picture. Okay, give me 1 second and I'll take a picture for Instagram. Hold on. Okay, because this is such pretty packaging. Anyways, let me go ahead and open it up with you guys. So it opens pretty easily and does not tear the paper. And this paper is really nice. You guys can see. It's sort of like a mini metallic leopard. Okay. Go ahead and open. Okay, so let me just pull out this box. Like it has another Von Maur box in here. I already know what it is. She told me, but I really am grateful that she gifted me this. Alright. More. Wow, so fancy. Okay. So there are 2 products in here. Okay, so this is the item that I knew she was going to give me, and it is a spray. It is from Crep, and it is for sneakers. And this one is Kiwi Select, and this is for suede and nubuck and fabric, and so I guess they're used for the same thing. But let me show you guys. So I have recently been talking to my friend. I'm not going to say her name because I don't know if she wants me to say her name, but we've been talking about these shoes in particular, the new Kanye West Adidas Yeezys, and I have not used them yet because I'm just so worried about getting them dirty. But so let me show you the shoes again. They are the all white, I think they're the triple white Adidas Yeezys, and these are the Yeezy Boost 350s, and the color on my camera is totally going out of whack because this is a white shoe. And yeah, I was just really worried about using this because it is an all white shoe. And now with this product in particular, this crepe, I'm going to use this on this shoe, and hopefully it will protect it, because she was telling me that she basically swears by this product, and for all of her sneakers she uses this product in particular, and she just went ahead and gave me this product as well. So yeah, thank you again. And since I am on the topic of these shoes, so this is in no way an endorsement for Kanye West. This is just you know, showing you that I bought these shoes and I am more in support of very comfortable shoes. And you know, I don't agree with Kanye West's political stances or anything like that, so don't put me in the same category. I just wanted a very nice fitting, very comfortable pair of shoes, and so far these, to be honest with you, are one of the most comfortable shoes that I have ever owned. And with that, it also comes with a hefty price tag. So I don't buy luxury shoes. I think currently, come to think about it, this probably is the most expensive shoe that I have ever purchased, which is $220. No, actually I just recently purchased another pair of shoes that was $250, but they were also Adidas shoes. But anyhow, getting back to the point, I don't buy luxury shoes because they are most of the time uncomfortable. And so when I put money into things, especially with clothing or footwear, it's because they help my feet. And my feet, you know, they hurt sometimes. I think I have a condition called plantar fasciitis or something like that, where the heel, not the heel, like inside, just right inside the heel, next to it, it's where, you know, the foot hurts when you press down on it, and when you're standing on your feet for a large part of the day. And I used to do this when I used to work retail. I no longer work retail, but you know, the damage has been done on my feet. And anyways, that's the only reason why I bought these shoes. Now, I have been hearing rumors. So this shoe in particular, the all-white version, they released over 1 million pairs. And that's why it was very easy to get this shoe. But in future releases, for example, there is a release that's going to happen on Black Friday, I believe, the Friday after Thanksgiving, which is November 26th, and that is for the sesame color version of this shoe. And that is a shoe that is a little bit tan in color, and so it's more or less prone to looking dirty. And that shoe is rumored to only, they say, drop in very limited quantities, and this is in the same quantities as previous drops, and that is about 100,000 pairs of this shoe, which means that there aren't going to be a lot of shoes to go around to everybody that wants them. And so I have a sinking suspicion that for this particular shoe, Adidas and Kanye West wanted to basically release a ton of this shoe so anybody who wanted them could get them, and for future releases they'll continue to have very limited stock, and so it will just raise prices in the resale market. Now, the resale market does not really help, you know, the retailers, because the retailers still sell these at the manufacturer retail price. But it helps the resellers because they get to sell them at exorbitant amounts, which basically is what it boils down to. People are going to buy things for how much you know, they're willing to buy them for, and that helps resellers because you're going to sell them for the highest bid, basically. Anyways, I'm going off on a tangent. I just wanted to you know, open these products that my friend gave me, and I'm really thankful, and I'm definitely going to try them out. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to say for this video. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.